Sorry the lighting's a little low. I'm in my daughter's bedroom and it's bedtime. So I've owned a TheraPure air purifier for many, many years, a little tower. And it's still kicking, but it's really hard to find replacement filter for it. So I was like, all right, I'll just get some new ones. So I ordered this brand, LEVOIT, small rooms. You can use it in your office, a bedroom, small room. And I purchased 2 Toppin brand air purifiers for larger rooms. And I liked this brand so much, the LEVOIT, that I ended up returning the Toppin, because they were a little loud, returning the 2 Toppin, and I purchased 2 more of this brand for bigger rooms, and also an Alexa voice-controlled option, and also you can use your phone, smartphone. So this is sleep, which is really low, and it's a little touch kind of button. You barely have to touch it, and the light will go out for you if you don't want any distracting light while you sleep. So the air goes in through around the base, and the fresh air comes out the top. This is actually low. First one was sleep, second one is low, and the next one is high. It's really not that loud. So great quality product, great pricing. You can purchase it on Amazon. I requested free shipping. When you spend, I think, $25 or more, you get free shipping on anything Amazon these days. And for this one, it has a little spot up here. Just pop off the little plastic piece, and there's a little spongy sponge that goes right in here. You put a couple drops of essential oils on there. You put that baby in there, and it gives it a nice light aroma. But I'm so excited to receive my new ones. They're coming Saturday, but definitely a great quality product. It's on high, and it's very quiet. I just got this today, so I will update reviews if anything changes.